We often hear critical minerals in the news lately. But what exactly are they? And how do they show up in the tech we use every day?
So, critical minerals, to start with, if we go by the definition, are a set of those minerals which are very, very important for every country for their national security purposes, for their economic development. And now that we're moving away from fossil fuels to green energies, all of our renewable energies have some amount of these minerals embedded in them. However, what has really come to the center stage at this point is the supply and demand balance of these critical minerals. When we look at the demand, it's tremendous, having mentioned different factors. Whereas on the supply side, they find their concentrations are, first of all, very, very meager, and they're located in very few geographies. So they are susceptible to a lot of supply chain shocks, and perhaps their importance has become even more vital for the globe today.
As the world shifts away from fossil fuels, why is a green energy future so heavily dependent on specific minerals?
I think as we're moving away from the fossil fuels towards the greener energies, and we're transitioning not just in terms of green energy transition, but also the digital transition that is happening at the moment. So both of these transitions are heavily dependent on these minerals, because a lot of the core components are dependent on these minerals as raw materials. So that is why it has become a system wherein we are moving from an oil or an energy intensive economy. Now we are moving towards more a material intensive economy.
Why are local rare earth supply chains critical for India's economic sovereignty and the daily lives of its people?
These corridors have been identified in the coastal states of Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, where our beach sands are present, which contain these rare earths. So this is a very monumental step, in fact, taken by the Government of India to build an integrated domestic system to create those resilient supply chains, because we are heavily import dependent, and perhaps it has become very important that we create our domestic supply chains for it. It is important because it's high time that we create that resilience for our various sectors that are dependent on these minerals.